Top lucrative business for 2024. Start making your first $100,000 with AI and the internet. Hello everyone, and Happy New Year to all of you. Welcome back to Castapod 2M. Today, we're delving into some exciting business opportunities tailored for 2024. If you're eager to make your first $100,000 leveraging AI and the internet, you're in the right place. Ordinary people are transforming their lives, and you can too. This golden opportunity won't last forever, so let's explore these potential ventures together. Those who seize the moment could join the 1%, living an incredible life. If financial freedom is your goal, stick around, this video is for you. Business Idea 1. Embark on a journey as a content creator. Our first business idea is all about becoming a content creator. It's one of the simplest ways to rake in thousands of dollars monthly, and the best part? Literally anyone can do it from the comfort of their home. Whether you're into finance, lifestyle, or something else, there's a niche for you. Being a content creator allows you to share your passion and potentially make a ton of money through product promotions and sponsorships. Let's dive deeper into why this tops our list. First things first, let's talk about the amazing benefits of content creation. It's not just about making videos or posting pictures, it's a journey that can transform your life in more ways than one. 1. Self-expression and passion asterisk. Content creation is a canvas for self-expression. Whether you're passionate about finance, lifestyle, gaming, or anything else, it provides a platform to share your unique voice with the world. 2. Community building. Creating content connects you with like-minded individuals. Building a community around your content allows you to share experiences, ideas, and inspiration with people who resonate with your message. 3. Skill development. Being a content creator is a continual learning process. From video editing to storytelling, you'll develop a diverse skill set that goes beyond content creation, skills that are valuable in various aspects of life. 4. Monetization opportunity. Yes, you can make money doing what you love. Content creation opens doors to various monetization opportunities, from brand collaborations and sponsorships to affiliate marketing. It's a game changer for turning your passion into profit. Host, now that you're excited about the benefits, let's explore some practical tips to set you on the path to successful content creation. Here is some tips for successful content creation. 1. Find your niche. Start by discovering your niche. What are you truly passionate about? Whether it's tech reviews, cooking, or travel, finding your niche helps you stand out and attract an audience interested in what you have to offer. 2. Consistency is key. Consistency is the backbone of any successful content creator. Create a realistic posting schedule and stick to it. Whether it's daily, weekly, or bi-weekly, consistency builds trust with your audience. 3. Engage with your community. Engagement is a two-way street. Respond to comments, ask questions, and make your audience feel heard. Building a strong community involves fostering meaningful connections with your viewers. 4. Invest in quality equipment. While you don't need the most expensive gear, investing in decent equipment improves the quality of your content. Clear audio, good lighting, and sharp visuals make a significant difference in viewer experience. 5. Stay authentic. Authenticity is your superpower. Be genuine, share your story, and let your personality shine through. Authentic content resonates with audiences and creates a deeper connection. There you have it, the incredible benefits of content creation and some tips to set you on the path to success. Remember, being a content creator is not just about the numbers, it's about the impact you make in the community you build. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content creation insights. Keep creating, stay inspired, and I'll catch you in the next one.